Hi there, this is Lorena Grant. Today I want to show you how to connect your bank accounts in QuickBooks Online so that you can pull all your transactions um, for the whatever time period you need from your bank accounts so that you don't have to manually enter them. Yay! So today I'm going to be working in my QuickBooks Online accountant account. So some of the features may be slightly different. Some of the tabs may be slightly different. But for the most part, it should be the same. So the first thing you want to do when you log into your QuickBooks Online account usually takes a while to log in sometimes. So that's why I'm logging in prior to getting on. But the first thing you want to do is you can log in here. You can go to transactions, bank transactions. That will take you there. Or if down here, you can also connect your bank account by connecting here in the tab. There might be a few other ways, but that's pretty straightforward. So let's go to bank transactions, and we want to connect our bank account. So that's exactly what I'm gonna do. Now here is where you would connect your bank accounts. For example, your checking accounts, your savings accounts that might be associated with the business, any credit cards. You would do each of these manually and each of these individually rather. And so I'm just gonna choose one. Um, I'm not gonna really connect any of the bank accounts, but I'm gonna show you what is expected. Okay, you're gonna be signing in, so you're gonna go sign into your bank account, and you go to continue. And then what it's going to ask you for, it's going to ask you for your credentials. So your username, your password, and then it's going to ask you how far back do you want to have these transactions pulled from. I've seen them go, most of the time it can go back as far as about a year, maybe a little bit longer, like as far as 18 months. I've seen it. It really depends on your transactions. Whether it will pull from that far back. Now, if your account exists further back than that, and you need to get those transactions, you could always just get a statement and either enter them manually, or you can. I'll show you in a future video how to pull the pull the data, create a spreadsheet, and actually input or import the data manually from from your account. So this is each of these accounts. For example, if your bank accounts at Chase Bank, you're going to be doing the same thing. It's going to ask you for the start date that you want the transactions pulled from, and you're going to enter your username and password, and it's going to create its own line on the chart of accounts. Um, and that's what you want. So, be on the lookout for that next video. If for some reason your bank account, which sometimes my bank account doesn't do this, I have trouble with my bank account. It doesn't connect. So I have to manually enter it every couple months so that I can keep my books up to date. Um, some people do it every month. I just do it as I need. Um, but yeah, so that's what you need to do, and be on the lookout for that video. If for some reason your bank account does not connect, there's a workaround. So I just wanted to thank you for stopping by. If there's anything I can do, or if you have any questions as a bookkeeper, I can do my best to answer any questions, and be sure and leave them in the comments. Uh, and I'd love to be able to help out if you're needing a bookkeeper, or if you're needing help with your books to maintain them or to upkeep them. Um, be sure and reach out. I'll have a link in my bio to how you can get in contact with me. I even have a couple free resources that might be able to help you on your business journey. Uh, to be able to save money on your taxes and do things like that. So be look at the description in my of this video, and if there's any way I can help, feel free to reach out. Um, I hope you have a blessed day, and hope you got value from this video today. Have a blessed day. If you got value from my video today and you'd like to learn more on how you might be able to make money passively from home online, be sure and sign up to my newsletter for more information at lorenagrant.com. And be sure and like and subscribe. We thank you for stopping by today and hope you have a blessed day.